How to set two different wallpapers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Wallpaper. Inside the Wallpaper menu, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. From the options at the top, select Photo Shuffle. Here, you can select specific categories or choose photos manually by tapping on Select Photos manually. Select the photos you want and tap on Add in the top right corner. You can now preview your wallpaper. Tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right. Here, you can set the shuffle frequency to options like on lock or hourly. Once you've made your selection, tap on Add at the top right. Finally, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply the changes. Following these steps, you can easily set two different wallpapers on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.